Sir, how are you preparing lang doon sa possible na pag-akyat ng impeachment case ni VP Sara?
What?
How are you preparing lang, sir?
Wala.
No, naging
Nagaling na tayo dyan. I have been the participant during the impeachment trial of former Chief Justice Coron.
Oo.
Napag-usapan niyo po minority yung possible na pag-akit.
Kaya nag-meeting kami kasi yung subok yung Senator Allen yung bago niyang catering. Pagkain.
Sir, sabi ni Sen. Robin, may possibility na harangin daw ng taga-minority yung pag-convene ng impeachment court. May ganun bang napag-usapan?
Wala
Walang ganun.
usapan.
So if umakyat, sir, if umakyat yung articles of impeachment, walang problema sa inyo if mag-convene ang impeachment
Of
court?
course. We have to follow the Constitution. We have to follow the law.
You agree din po kay SB. Sabi po ni SB, kapag daw makit yung articles, the following day, magpo-convene na yung impeachment court.
Possible, but of course, padadala pa ng summons ng both parties, the defense and the prosecution.
Bago yung trial.
Of course.
How do you feel, sir, about this? Ang daming dapat na
Ako, ayoko
tinatrap.
na sana, magulo na masyadong bansa natin, masyadong na maraming problema. Ako sana, kung ako, I've said it time and again, ayoko na impeachment.
But, since mukhang aakyat siya,
Kung aakyat siya, wala tayong magawa.
what can the people expect from you, sir? Neutrality and fairness,
Of
sir.
course, definitely. I will base my decision on the pieces of evidence presented.
Okay. Thank you, sir.